Hi, in this video I want to quickly show you how we can use the find and replace to change values in SPSS. So we're going to be using the treatment variable as an example. Now by quickly looking here at the variable, we can see that there are 4 labels: DC, DMET, DBAL 20 and DBAL 40. Now if we toggle between the values, we can see that there are actually 4. So you have a couple of 1s, 2s, 3s and 4s. So assuming we want the 2s to become 1 so that we can take them as one group, we can simply do that using the find and replace function. So having selected the variable, we click on the find and replace, and then we say we find all 2s and replace them with 1 on this column, and we replace all. And instantly you find that all the 2s have become 1. So if we toggle now, you see that the DMET have also become DC. Now, if we also want to now change the DBAL 40 to become DBAL 20, still selecting that variable, we go back to find and replace, and we say 4 should become 3, and we say replace all, and we are good to go. SPSS has done that. So now if I toggle between the label values, you see that everything there is just 1 and 3. So if I run a descriptive statistics here, what you're going to see is DC and DBAL 20. So you have 12 of each. That's how simple it is. So now let's assume I want to quickly run an independent sample t-test. I go to compare means, and I say independent sample t-test. Urea is my test variable, grouping is this, and then we define 1 and 3 and continue, and we OK, and there you go. So you have DC and DBAL, because DBAL 20 and DBAL 40 were collapsed into DBAL 20, and DC and DMET were collapsed into DC. So you have the 4 groups converted into 2, and your independent sample t-test is run for those 2 groups. If you have got value from this video and you would like to see more tricks and tools for enhancing your SPSS work, do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.